Hello there, my name is Kevin Simio. Today I am going to talk about factory layout or factory layout design, health and safety measures in the factory as well. First of all, let me begin with factory layout. Factory layout is the layout in form of drawings or illustrations of a factory, indicating positions where machinery or equipment or assets in an industry where they can be located without interfering the movement of the workers in the industry. Now, the machines should be well installed in such a way that they do not bring confusion in a building or in a factory. They also have to be installed in a way that the workers working in the factory should move swiftly when operating the machinery. Now, installing this machinery, you will need to have a plan. First of all, draw a plan for the factory before beginning to build it. Know the exact measurements for the drawings. Know the exact measurements for the equipment or machinery. Now, during drawing, you can use Autodesk or let's say AutoCAD. When you talk of Autodesk, we have AutoCAD, Archicad, among other softwares that can be used in drawing. Once you have a solid idea of what you are going to come up with, go direct into 2D AutoCAD and start planning. In 2D representations, the machinery are simply represented in rectangle form, and also you will have now to combine the 2D or two-dimension drawing with 3D so that you can come up with a good layout for the industry. In a case of an existing company or industry, and if at all you want to install some other equipment in the industry, add more equipment or subtract more equipment, you will have to use a scanner that can scan the exact measurements for the machinery, and then the scanner can now transfer the measurements into your drawings so that you can fit them correctly into your drawings to avoid confusion during drawing. When using AutoCAD in drawing factory layout or factory design, AutoCAD is more effective than the manual drawings because first of all, in manual drawing, you will have to work hard and draw a lot of papers using pens and pencils, but in AutoCAD you will have to use the AutoCAD software swiftly because you will have the knowledge of using that software, and it becomes easier for you than the manual drawing. Secondly, I am going to talk about health and safety factors in the industry. When you hear about health and safety factors in the industry, what comes in your mind first is your safety as a person in the industry, and also the safety of others working in the industry as well. Now, first, you will have to consider the safety of yourself, that including wearing of protective clothes such as gloves in when you are working in a company, let's say for mixing chemicals, and also you will have to use eye protectors for the chemical fumes, and also in a case of high voltages industries, you will have to use also the industrial boots among other other self-protecting clothes. Secondly, in an industry, you might slip on something and fall down in the industry. So, to take care of this, falling objects like pens or loose mats should be well taken care of, such that if a pen has fallen down, you must pick it, because someone can come and sleep on it and it might cause an injury, a minor or a serious injury or damage in the factory. Safety in the factory begins with an individual, because it is sometimes use of common sense, because you cannot see something not well placed and then you cannot go and place it to the right position. That is use of common sense in the industry, can sometimes as well prevent the injuries in the industry as well. In summary, health and safety issues in the industry should health and safety measures in the industry should be achieved by individuals themselves, taking care of themselves in the industry, and also taking care of others by use of common sense, and also some trainings such as putting off fires. Individuals should go through the trainings of putting off fires, or putting on alarms in a case of fire, so that other people can escape from the fire. That's all about factory layout and factory health and safety measures. Thank you.